Today I will share with you my favorite raspberry cheesecake recipe. This recipe is ideal for summertime, since no bake is required. Also, press the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with our new content. And leave a comment with your thoughts on the recipe. And don't forget to write in the comments what are the recipe you want to see next. But meantime, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Crush 250 grams of digestive biscuits with the help of a blender until they become fine biscuit powder. Add 100 grams of melted and cooled butter and mix the composition well with the blender. After that, use a spatula to make sure that the butter is distributed evenly. For the cheesecake base, add the mixture to an 18 cm removable cake pan and press the mixture with the bottom of a glass for an even distribution of the base. For a fine touch, you can use a spoon. Put the mold into the freezer for 20 minutes. Meantime, pour 600 grams of cream cheese into a bowl. On top of that, add 200 grams of sugar and mix well with a spatula until the sugar is incorporated. After incorporating the sugar, add 400 grams of Greek yogurt and mix well with the spatula again. Put 20 grams of gelatin to hydrate in 50 ml of water for the raspberry jelly. Then leave it to hydrate for up to 10 minutes. Add 400 grams of frozen raspberry to a pot. On top of that, add 100 grams of sugar and a spoonful of lemon juice. Let them boil for 2 minutes. 2 minutes only to keep the bright color of the raspberry. Then blend the raspberry very well and pass the mixture through a sieve to remove the seeds. Add the hydrated gelatin into the microwave for 10 seconds to melt it. Then add the gelatin to the raspberry mix until it's dissolved. Hydrate 10 grams of gelatin in 40 ml of cold water for the cream cheese mixture. Continue by mixing the whipping cream for a few minutes until it's become fluffy like a mousse. And pour the melted gelatin into the whipping cream and mix it well. Add the gelatin and the whipping cream over the cream cheese mixture and mix it until become homogeneous. The whipped cream brings a slightly delicate air texture in the cheese mixture. Now divide it in 4 bowls. In the first bowl, put 10 spoons of raspberry mix. In the second, 7 spoons, and in the third, only 2. And the fourth bowl will remain white. In the first bowl, add red food coloring for intense color and mix well together. The 4 mix are ready now. Add the white part first, and after that add the colors gradually. The second layers are the light pink. And then we will create an wave aspects. Continue with the darker red until you finish all the colors. And after that, put the cheesecake in the freezer for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are passed, pour the raspberry jelly and spread it evenly. And put again the cheesecake in the freezer for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. Remove the cheesecake from the mold and prepare to remove the acetate sheet with a towel, damped within warm water. Press the well-wrung towel over the entire surface of the foil and gently unfoil. This step is necessary for a smooth appearance of the cheesecake after removing the foil. For decoration, use 100 grams of whipped cream and decorate it as you like. I also decorated with some fresh fruit. Now the cheesecake is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed my non-baked raspberry cheesecake recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment with your impression on this video, and also write me in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Thank you!